Nigerians, my name is Kenny. Today is 25th of January 2021. So guys, I've been seeing a lot on social media lately about Chief Sunday Igboho and the Fulani Herdsmen. So a lot of really been going on because Chief Sunday Igboho is trying to stop the Fulani Herdsmen from killing his people. While some people, some elderlies, are not wanting him to do that. They're trying to stop him all because of the greed they have in them, or because of the little thing they're gonna get. They are trying to ruin their whole country, which that should not happen. You know, they say the word of the elderlies is the word of wisdom. But don't you forget that fools grow old too. So if you don't want to be part of those fools that grow old, you should support Chief Sunday Igboho because he doesn't want his people to die. He's being a true son of the soul that he is. And he's saving his people because he don't want anything evil, anything bad to happen to them. And the Fulani Herdsmen killing his people, he can't take it. And the government arresting him, trying to arrest him for doing nothing. All because they don't want to hurt or have anything to do with the Fulani Herdsmen or whatever. We don't need them. We don't need the Fulani Herdsmen killing our people anymore. Wherever they're from, they should go back to where they're from. This is a land and we own it, and we don't want our people to die. And Chief Sunday Igboho is doing absolutely nothing wrong. And Chief Sunday Igboho, may God bless you for everything you do. You've been a true son of the soul. You've been a true citizen of the country. Continue the good work and keep on doing everything you're doing. And whosoever tries to stop you will face the wrath of the Lord, of Almighty Father. He's gonna keep being by your side. He's gonna keep supporting you, and he's not gonna let anyone try to stop you. And the government, let them do whatever they feel like. God will always be by your side. God is more than the government. God is the number one government. And we don't need the Fulani people killing people anymore. We are the Yorubas. We're not one nation anymore. That's not, as much as we don't want us to be divided or whatever, we have to, because we're not one anymore. I don't think the Fulani Herdsmen want peace, and since they don't want peace, you're not going to get peace. We are the Yorubas. We should save our people. We should help our people. We should fight for our people. We should speak. We are the children. Let us speak. We are true citizens of Nigeria. Let us speak, because our mothers, our fathers, kids are dying. As a kid, I'm supporting the kids that died, the kids that have been kidnapped. They kidnap people. They collect money from them. And they still kill them after collecting their money. That should not happen. As a true Nigerian, we should support them. And we shouldn't let our people to die for nothing. And we should stop the Fulani Herdsmen from all this. And Chief Sunday Igboho, like I said before, God will continue to bless you. God will continue to support you for all the good work you've been doing. I've spoken, and so shall it be in the name of the Lord. We will all get peace, and peace is going to reign in this country. Peace.